Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Symingson. I am an associate professor at the University of Texas at Arlington. I've been teaching online since 2008, and as far as my job title, basically faculty, but I do leadership roles in terms of leading and helping facilitate a professional learning community that focuses on innovations with online learning, and I've been doing that since 2012. So I have a very long-standing interest in online and digital and professional aspirations. As of now, it's more a behind-the-scenes thought leader, if you will, and so I actually want to leverage that. I'm not sure where my professional pathway is going at the moment, so that's sort of open. And then any other details? I am an associate professor of TESOL, so that's teaching English as a second or other language. I'm very interested in HighFlex. I did the HighFlex Learning Lab through EDUCAUSE and learned a lot. That was Brian Beatty. And okay, what topic most interests you in this institute? Everything. I always learn about the topic, but I also enjoy learning how EDUCAUSE facilitates these workshops. So on the meta level, I'm interested in that. And I think just learning about leadership in digital spaces, what that is. And I'm interested in formal aspects of that, but I'm also very interested in informal leadership as well. And let's see, what problem or problems do you hope to improve or move forward? Okay, changing digital culture. So I did the learning lab on digital transformation, and for me as a faculty member, without just changing the culture during the pandemic, of course, the culture somewhat shifted, but I think there's still this whole idea of we leveraged online as a temporary thing, and that I see the much bigger picture with the possibilities and demand for online learning. And so, where are we heading? So, so I would call that, I guess, just influencing and shaping the culture of higher ed to further embrace online learning and to prepare faculty for online learning beyond emergency remote teaching. There was an article, just to wrap up, there was a great article slash blog post by Chuck Hodges and some others on EDUCAUSE about the difference between emergency remote teaching and online learning, and it was brilliant. And so just that's the mindset I have. We need to really kind of think hard about where we're heading with online learning and get past any myths about emergency remote teaching. It's not online learning best practice per se. So I'm a huge advocate and champion and ambassador. I'm also an EDUCAUSE ambassador too. That's it. Looking forward to learning with everyone.